Hi there, this is Owen from Awards USA. Our website is www.donor-recognitions.com. Today I'd like to show you how to install our dimensional cube donor wall. Our dimensional cubes come in three sizes: small, medium, and large. They also come in three metal finish colors: brushed gold, brushed silver, and brushed copper. Other colors and finishes are available. Each cube has a backer in various thicknesses that gives your donor wall display a more dimensional look. Back plates are permanently mounted to the wall using double-face tape. The face plates mount to the backers using threaded screws. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to mount our template to the wall. All of your kits will come with a full-size mounting template. You want to put it on the wall using painter's tape, and what's important too is you want to make sure that it's level. You want to take one of these horizontal lines, maybe put a straight edge up to it, and then put a level to it to make sure that everything is straight and level. The next thing you want to do is take a drill bit, 3/16" drill bit, and drill, and put a hole right here where there's a little circle and it's marked the hole. And so we'll do that. This is going to be our starter cube, and we're going to put it. Mount the cube to the wall with a screw. All the other cubes will be applied to the wall with double-face tape. So the next thing you want to do is remove the template. Alright, I have the template down, and I've actually moved it down so I can use it as a reference. I've got a red plastic anchor that's supplied with the kit. I'm going to put it in this hole, and we'll tap it in with a hammer. That's going to be our starting cube, and it's for the biggest cube. And in this case, we know that it's this one right here. So what I'll do is I'll take a screw and a drill bit. Get that started. Obviously, since it's our starter block or starter cube, we want to make sure that it's level. So I'm going to tighten it down so it's nice and level. And so now I know that I have this cube down here, so we'll X that one out. The next one I'm going to do is this medium one, M for medium. And as I said, they've all got double-face tape on the back. It's probably good to use a straight edge to help you get it nice and straight. I'll take that straight edge like this, and I'm going to be applying this one. And it's really important to make sure that you've got a straight edge and that it's positioned exactly where it should be positioned. We want to make sure too also that I usually recommend a couple dabs of silicone on the back side. I didn't do it on this one, but I'll probably do it on the next one. We've got a small one here. Sometimes foam tape has a tendency over many, many years to dry out, and so a little bit of silicone will help quite a bit. So just a few dabs there on the back. Line it up just like that, give it that little push. And I'm going to go ahead and proceed, and obviously if this was a really large donor wall, you'd want to keep track of which ones you're doing. This is fairly small, but in this case I'll just kind of mark the ones that I've done, and I'll just keep proceeding. Okay, I've got my backer plates all on the wall now. I found it was easiest to start on one end and work in one direction. In this case, I work this way. There are some that kind of sit out in space, so it's important that you get those positioned correctly. What I did is I basically used the faceplate and flipped it around. You can kind of use it as a spacer to make sure you get these in the right space. Also, it's important to make sure that you got everything faced up according to the arrows on the stickers too. So the next thing I want to do then is put the face plates on, and those simply go on with small little screws. And so I'll go ahead, there will be a screw driver provided with the kit, and we'll go ahead and start getting these on. It's probably good to just finger tighten everything first and then come back with your screwdriver and put that on. So I'll go ahead and get these done. Okay, we're all done here now, and we've got all the plates put up, and obviously you want to use the gold brass screws for the gold plates. We also use them for the copper plates, and there are silver screws available for the silver plates. You want to make sure when you clean it that you use mild soap and a soft cotton cloth, and try to stay away from ammonia, Windex, or other harsh cleaners. But other than that, if you have any questions about our donor trees or our cube wall donor walls, give us a call at 888-462-5008. And thanks for watching.